Okay, so here we are going to open our SQL server. For creating a table, before that we have to create a database. So to create database, simple query is that create database and database name. Now here I have already created a database. Now in table we are going to have two fields, that is name and gender. Control plus S, give any name you like. I will write as gender and OK. Now whether it is successfully created, for that we will write a query as select star from table name. Select it and execute. Yes, it is created. Now we will open Visual Studio on that our website, and here we are going to create a new web form. Add new item and web form. Give any name and just click on add. So this is our web form. So here we are going to see the use of radio button. Now we will add a table. I only need here 3 rows and 2 columns. We will add label, 2 labels, and in front of that one text box, and below we are going to add 2 radio buttons. And one button to save. Now we'll change the text of label as name and next as gender. Text box ID as txt name and radio button ID as RD female for first radio button, and we will change its text as female. And important here is the group name. Group name for both must be same. Next ID male and text group name as A and text as male. We will change text of button as safe and ID as BTN safe. Now let us move it to center. Okay. Now just double click on the save button. First of all, add the libraries, that is using system.data and using system.data.sql client. Now main thing here is connection. Just click on your database name on Server Explorer, select the connection string and copy and paste it. Now is the command. Insert into our table name, that is gender, and fields are as name and gender. So insert into gender, first the name and gender, after that values, @name, @gender, and the connection is closed. Now call the parameters. First for the name, so txt name.text, it came from the design, we have took their text box. Okay, now we have to call one string, give any object name. I have entered as gen, that is gender. If condition for radio button first, that is RD female. So if RD female dot check, then in gender, that is in your column gender, it will be saved as female. Otherwise, that is in else, gen is equals to male. Now we will call here parameter for gender. Here we are going to pass gen, that is the object which we called above in the string. Now SQL data adapter, there we have to pass the command cmd data set, that is collection of tables, and da.fill ds. ds is the object of data set. Now save and run it. So enter a name and we'll click on female. So it is checked on female, so it will be saved as female itself. We will check it, select start from gender, and we can see. Now another value we will insert, refresh the page, enter a name such as Ramesh, now male, and save it. Let us check it, and yes, it is saved.